Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing the top 4 strategies to achieve success on UHRS. UHRS is a great platform to earn money online, but it can be challenging to succeed without a solid plan. By following these 4 strategies, you can increase your chances of success and earn more on UHRS. The first strategy is to familiarize yourself with the HITAPP guidelines. Each HITAPP has its own set of rules and guidelines that you must follow. These guidelines help you understand what is expected of you and how you can complete tasks more accurately. Take some time to read and understand these guidelines before starting any HITAPP. The second strategy is to use the preview and training option. This option allows you to understand the task better before you start working on it. The preview option lets you see the task before you accept it, and the training option allows you to practice and get comfortable with the task before you start working on it. By using these options, you can complete tasks more efficiently and accurately. The third strategy is to know your judgments per hour required. Each HITAPP has a different number of judgments you need to complete per hour. It's important to know this number so you can manage your time effectively and complete tasks within the given time frame. Make sure to track your judgments per hour and aim to improve it over time. The fourth and final strategy is to review your report to monitor your progress on quality daily to determine how you are doing on tasks. The report section in your marketplace shows your spam accuracy, your earnings, and your completed judgments. Use this section to monitor your progress and make adjustments as necessary to maintain quality work. In summary, these 4 strategies are essential to achieving success on UHRS. Familiarize yourself with the HITAPP guidelines, use the preview and training option, know your judgments per hour required, and review your report to monitor your progress on quality daily. By following these strategies, you can increase your chances of success on UHRS and earn more money online. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found these strategies helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more videos on UHRS and other online earning opportunities. For more, must visit our website www.thetetracademy.com. See you next time.